Okay, and on to our first retailer category, which is cosmetics retailer. From BSC Real Estate Advisors, I'd like to invite up Magdalena Condea to help us give this award away.
And the nominees are Adore, Douglas, Golden Rose, and Sephora. 4 nominees in this category.
Yep.
And we'll be ready to announce the winner in a moment.
And here comes Magdalena as well to help us give this one away. No, we saw you. Go slow. We don't want any. Good to see you. Welcome. Thank you for helping us give this award away. And we'll get the envelope from there, from her.
And the winner is Douglas.
Conference today. Congratulations. Please feel free to say a few words as well.
Good evening again. On behalf of Douglas team, I would like to thank our customer and our partners. It is a sentence that if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Our experience shows that strong partnerships it's a key thing in successful business. So thank you for this fantastic award and stay united.
Thank you.
Well, congratulations and come join us for a photo over here.